What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're staying late today here at the shop. It is the day before the weekend. It is Friday night. We're gonna go do a drift and drag tomorrow, which is hopefully supposed to be a little bit bigger than normal because it is the combo layout. So they have a few different variations that they run. This one's gonna be like the skid pad and West Track, but this one they're also doing a drift clinic. So I won't be participating in the clinic because obviously it's for beginners, just to figure out how to do like donuts, figure eights, and they're talking about maybe doing a couple corners to learn on the main track. But we have the car back after our accident at Slush Motorsports Festival with Jesse Awuji and our buddy Austin at that second lap in. So a little bit has changed since you guys last saw the car. If you didn't see the last video, we did get it back from the body shop, unfortunately to a little bit of dismay where the quality of the work wasn't really what we expected. Long story short, I told him just kind of pull the door, give me a little bit of a Coke can wrinkled up, and I got a straightened door and a working door, but then a metric ass ton of Bondo back here. So for now, I'm just gonna deal with it, grit my teeth and keep chugging along, and pray that this doesn't happen more on track. So right now, I got my lovely fiance over here helping me. We are doing the last of the wrap. So I do have a door actually right here. It's already wrapped and ready to go. Just waiting on Alex to come back. He had to go home, feed his dog and stuff. So once he gets back from doing his errands, we're gonna slap this door on. And then she's working on just giving the rear overs a quick scuff. Now I am kind of playing the part of poser at the moment just for the night because I don't have time to cut and weld and do all this stuff because I have a few customer cars, this Beetle being one, drift car Audi out there. Those are priority over my car at the moment. So being that it's after hours, well, I'm just trying to get this thing at least looking halfway decent. So slap the door on, wrap the overs, wrap this lower rocker panel while our buddy Gary is still fixing the side skirt, and we'll cut the quarter panels up probably end of next week when I have a little bit more time. Now I've already got the front overs on. Looks deceiving, I know, because they're so subtle. They're only 15 millimeter, but it's a little bit of a poke. Before it would fully expose my wheel because my angle kit, that aggressive bulldog stance that people love about drift cars. But now we're actually hiding the tire using these nicer looking aluminum pop rivets that have the big flat head on it, so I don't have to worry about crushing the fiberglass. But yeah, fronts are on, wrapped, and look great. This side, pretty much minimal work. Again, we will be cutting this pretty much all out, this whole arch. I just, again, don't have time. So I did just finish trimming the arch, or the fuel door area, because it was hitting pretty good. I don't even know what flares these are. These are just some ones that I found locally, and they're all 15 mil offset, so pretty subtle. So we're gonna get these things wrapped, get this car looking good. I'll catch up with you guys here in a little bit, wrap the night up, and we'll go drifting tomorrow. It is pretty much 11 o'clock on the dot, 11:02. Car is finally pretty much ready to go. Thanks to Alex for staying late. I mean, he's doing tires anyway for his car, but thanks for lending the hand. And my fiance, she left probably like an hour ago. She had to go feed the dogs and stuff. So really the only complaint so far we found is that the door I bought, unfortunately, I think it's from an earlier model. I ran the VIN code on a VIN decoder, and basically from what I'm gathering, this is a 92 door, and I guess the 92, 93s had a very particular window motor setup where everything is different, like the motor, the regulator, the wiring. So in the meantime, I don't have a window set up. We just had to disassemble what we could, kind of break everything out because it was all trash to me anyway. And we just pulled the window down by hand. Got my door card on, got the mirror on. We got the door lined up vertically really good. And now the only issue I'm having now, this door obviously was damaged, but the lower portion was in very good shape still. But this door, for some reason, is got this fat gap down here. Now it opens wonderfully, like zero effort, minus this stupid rubber flap kind of flapping in the wrong spot. But yeah, that's like the nicest BMW door I've. That feels better than his purple BMW's door, and like, I don't know the gap. But whatever, my car is good to go. Honestly, I'm not mad. You can't even tell this car was ever damaged other than a little bit of a door gap and a little bit wider booty, but that's all right. I'm stoked, I'm tired, I'm really hungry, so we'll see you guys at the drift track tomorrow. All right, we're here next morning. We got the car ready to go. Just about to load it up onto the trailer, which I'll show you guys that in a sec, because I think if you watched the last video, I mentioned I had a surprise. That's the surprise. definitely could use some air suspension.
Yeah, you're moving it all over the place. It's kind of scary being up here with you pulling on to try to make sure you're
I wonder
centered.
if next time we should probably put the front nose jack thing down.
I don't think it's gonna touch with it up in the air like that is.
All right, we made it. Now the car we got loaded up, safe and sound. But no, this is what I wanted to show you guys. This is what I mentioned in the last video, is your boy finally pulled a move and bought his own trailer. So this is a brand new 2025 model. Shout out to Jackson's out in Glendale, Arizona. They had really good reviews, so getting the trailer was a super easy process. So I put a few thousand down. The trailer is this one after taxes, fees, the spare tire, all that stuff, title, registration, it's like 5,300. So I think I put 2K down, and now this thing is just financing it through my business. That way I can build up some business credit, trying to be smart with it. But I am so freaking hyped. This is a 2025 model. It's got all the basics, nothing fancy, but it's new, it's mine, don't have to worry about it. But the car is good to go. So we're gonna see, they're about to start the drift clinic. It looks like everybody just got out of the driver's meeting. I see Alex walking over there. So yeah, we're looking really freaking cool. I am just too hyped. Having a trailer now, just a game changer, especially for loading stuff up. Like, love it. You can't even see the cone because the fence post is in the way. There we go.
Woo, look at him!
That's our guy. The wind took the liquid moly thing off of the trailer, so up here, good shot of getting everybody though. Time to hang out here more. Do what? Do the thing, Alex. I apologize for any wind noise. It's windy up here on the trailer. Looking good on the cone.
Yeah.
I say I got some footage on top of the trailer on my phone, so.
Oh, sick, okay. Yeah. I already fucking killed these tires and now I'm like, oh god.
Oh, he exploded that one.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, that one exploded. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
So you're lasting longer than his, but are they're done?
Yeah, I think the enders are on.
I mean, yeah, I would change them for now, but I would probably, you could still run 2 or 3 laps on skid later.
Okay, yeah.
The inners are more warm, but you got a little bit of time left on them.
Especially if I let them actually cool down a little bit too.
Yeah.
Flip them too.
All right, we're still in Austin's car. We're gonna go do some donuts.
I like the way it sounds.
Reminds me of my early Honda days with hood X and everything.
Yeah, dude.
Feel the heat waves coming in on the window from the turbo.
It's time to shine.
Let's So yeah, so just did the drivers meeting, and we got a lot of drivers tonight. So car is pretty much good to go. Gonna just fire it up. We got to do a parade lap because the new layout that they're running over here is a little wonky. We're gonna have fun anyway, and we're just gonna try and get some seat time. Are you already on like your 4th set?
This is the front understeer.
What'd you do, bud? Or which tires are these?
Oh, this is from the front.
Oh, these are the shitty Michelins you were blowing out in the front.
Yeah, I got them from when I first bought it, so.
Oh. He held it together a lot better than I thought he would.
Why do I have to be poor?
Is it time for a drift car?
Oh, but I want to grip drive. And I want to drive my Datsun. But now I want to drift.
So many options. I don't know, I think the drifting is the most fun.
Maybe I drift the Datsun, dude.
K-swap turbo drift car in a Datsun?
Maybe we do some more titanium and we slide it around, dude.
I'd be down. Fucking, it's a win-win. Drift buddy and money.
Yeah, dude.
All right, we're wrapping it in for the night. Car did super good despite still fighting the alignment issues from the last time. But otherwise, car drove great. I know Alex had a blast. It was really fun driving with Austin. Our buddy Danny with the 2J FRS. Super good day.
Yeah.
Super fun.
Dude, honestly, yeah, this was a good event. Real good event. Lots of seat time, and the pace was good, even though the lines were longer, but like they kept sending people out, man.
Yeah, that was nice on the skid pad. I don't know how much it showed on the camera or any of the clips, but they ran the 3 lines like normal, 2 solo and a tandem. This time, I think they finally listened to what some of the guys were complaining about all this time was they would send 1, 2, 3, so tandem would get like a ton of seat time, and then the solo drivers wouldn't. So this time they would send like 4 to 6 solo drivers before a tandem guy. So I still got a lot of seat time in the tandem line, but then when I hopped in the solo line without anybody to drive with, it moved quick. I mean, this dude got like, I don't have my watch on me, but it's like 10:30, so he's been driving since like basically 10 hours.
Pretty much, yeah. Like from the start of the drift clinic, it was just like non-stop. So
yeah,
it was really good seat time, really good seat time event.
Yeah, but we're all whooped. We're gonna hang out for a few more minutes, say our goodbyes, and yeah, it's noisy out here, so thanks for sticking around. If you made it this far in the video, if you enjoyed it, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, come hang out, do some drift shit with us, and do what you love. For the rest, we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.